Good morning, boys and girls. Today is going to be quick directions because we have practiced this. So today I want you to practice by yourself, okay? But remember, you're going to cut this out and put it in your notebook. And then what we're going to do on this line is write the word triangle, and the word is right here to look at. So we're going to write, we're not writing anything with that pen apparently. We are writing the word triangle, okay? And then we're going to practice tracing all of these different sized triangles. The special thing about a triangle is that it has 3 sides. So we've looked at a circle who has 1 side, and we've looked at a rectangle that has 4 sides. Did we look at a square yet? I can't remember. I know that we did a circle and that we did a rectangle, and now we're doing a triangle that has a 1, 2, 3 sides. But these triangles are still 2-dimensional, so remember that means that they only have 1 face right here. They only have 1 face. I can't turn it sideways. I can't flip it over. It only has 1 face. Okay, so you're going to cut this page out, put it in your notebook, and then on this page, I can sort different kinds of shapes. So you're going to cut all the shapes out. You're going to put this in your notebook, and all the triangles are going to go underneath the word triangles, and then not triangles are going to go under the one that says not, and not is underlined. Okay? So take a peek. Remember, triangles have 3 sides. So would this one be a triangle? It kind of looks like this one, but I see that it's not flat. It has a piece over here. So this would not be a triangle. Okay? A triangle has to be flat. This shape has a different name. A triangle has to be flat. Okay? Go ahead and practice this. I know that you guys are so super smart and you guys will do a great job. Have fun sorting your shapes and learning all about triangles.